I'm Joe Charman,
I'm Jack Benjifield.
and we're both co-founders of Pilot Plus and Imersifi. Pilot Plus create 3D replications of real airports, and they're used in flight simulation by thousands of pilots and training schools worldwide.
With Imersifi, we specialise in virtual reality and other immersive technologies, and we create enterprise training and educational tools. While studying a virtual reality masters at Swansea University, we both got exposed to immersive technologies and just how useful they are for enterprise. And then we started Imersifi to create these experiences for businesses privately. During the final year of university and undergraduate, we received Santander's Enterprise Startup Award, which basically funded me and Joe for a couple of months when we started our business full-time. And that allowed us to decline our graduate scheme offers and take the business full-time straight after graduating.
We entered the big pitch in 2018, and we won funding which helped us enter a new market, as well as buy equipment for the business, so new computers and software that helped us enter that new market, to then gain more customers and more market exposure. And then since by doing that, we now work with large companies like Microsoft, and our products are on the Xbox platform.
We met the enterprise team in 2018, and we've received ongoing support from funding to networking opportunities whilst we were graduating and even since then.
We set up the business in Bristol, but we found there was more opportunities from being a Welsh business, as well as the opportunities that the Welsh government provide alongside Swansea University and the ecosystem that we've built throughout university. My advice for anyone starting a business is to keep working hard and don't necessarily focus on raising large amounts of money, because you can bootstrap your way to success by making a profit, reinvesting that back in the business, and continue to grow. And that's exactly what we've done and has helped make us our success.
My advice would be to really leverage your local network, whether that's university, friends or family, and just if you've got an idea, try and nurture it and just explore it. Anything creative or anything that comes to mind.